I think one of the most important things as a project manager that we can do is be there for the homeowners and the realtors. Part of what I do is try to understand what's most important to them. Then you can deliver that to them, and then you're actually catering to what their needs are. And so I think that helps them feel heard. Day-to-day questions, concerns, mistakes that happen on the job site, I am the one who's here to help you get through those hurdles. I have a lot of experience in construction, so I've brought in a lot of my own contractors to Curbio. I know their work ethic and I know what they take pride in. I want to be as transparent as possible so that the homeowner and the realtor can see for themselves that we're doing right by them. With Curbio there to support the agent and the homeowner, they're not alone. My name is Aaron Glines, and I'm your Curbio project manager from Riverside, California.